good morning. Welcome to September in week 7, another busy week for our school. We are very proud to announce that our students from high school and also from elementary, they are going to Bangkok for the World Scholars Cup starting from 31st August before until the 7th of September. The next continuum event that will happen in our school, it is an open day, which is happening on Saturday. We welcome our prospective parents to have a look what will happen from EY section until high school sections. And also, we are welcome parents for the coffee morning in elementary, starting from 8, continue with the mini workshop about learner profile, what it is look like until 10 o'clock. And in high school, we are going to have also in the afternoon tea or afternoon coffee with parents as well, starting at 2 o'clock. I'll continue with the elementary sections that on the 8th of September, on Friday, one whole day, we are going to have three-way conference for both early years and elementary. We also have and continue ongoing events, sports league by STUCO or student councils, and we also supporting the PE team doing the 3-on-3 basketball competitions and also soccer for upper grades. In high school, OSIS will celebrate Spirit Week for her 1 week, and we also have the English Literacy Day on the 8th September, and on the 9th of September, there will be ICAS test, math and digital technologies. And I always believe that what goes around comes around. That's why keep your circle positive, think good thoughts, speak good words, and do good deeds. God bless you.